Kris Jenner's children have become huge celebrities, and now she's revealed her parenting secrets. The reality star is matriarch of the Kardashian-Jenner clan and is mother to Kourtney, Kim, Khloe, and Rob Kardashian, as well as Kendall and Kylie Jenner. If you want to be a mother like Kris, it turns out her top tip is pretty simple. She has said the key to raising amazing children is to make sure you're a part of their lives. Kris has also stated that she feels blessed as a mother since she is so close to her children. Speaking to Us Weekly magazine, she said, "Just listen, pay attention, really talk to them, be a part of their lives. They're all my best friends, so I couldn't be more blessed." The Keeping Up with the Kardashian star is also grandmother to a whopping 10 grandchildren, with the most recent addition being Kim Kardashian West's 4th child. Kris told Us Weekly that she sadly hasn't been able to meet the tot just yet because she has a cough and doesn't want to spread the infection to the newborn. However, she has been able to technically see the little one since she has seen him over FaceTime. If you like and subscribe to our videos, there's a chance your favorite celebrity will follow you on Twitter. We can't prove that, but we're saying there's a chance.